everybody. My name is Deb Martin and I work at Bicentennial Trail Daycare in the Eagle Room. And today I brought a story to read with you. And this one is called 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on a Bed. And this one's by Eileen Crystallo. It was bedtime, so 5 little monkeys took a bath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look, they're in the tub. Washcloth washing his face and a brush to wash his back. Next page. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. 5 little monkeys brush their teeth. Do you brush your teeth before you go to bed? I hope you do. 5 little monkeys said goodnight to their mama. Look at, they're all snuggled up in bed, ready to go to sleep, and mommy's telling them good night. Then 5 little monkeys jumped on the bed. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They look like they're having a lot of fun jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 4 little monkeys, 1, 2, 3, 4, jumped on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Oh no. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. She's telling them, see, there's 1 fell off, 2 fell off. So 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped her head. Oh no. The mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. See, she's telling them what the doctor said. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 2 little monkeys jumped on the bed. 1, 2. What do you think's gonna happen? 1 fell off and bumped his head. Look. Ouch. I bet that hurts. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Mama told him what the doctor said. What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. So 1 little monkey jumped on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. What's Mama gonna do? No more monkeys. Oh, then Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Look what happens when you jump on the bed. They all have bandages on their head. So they must have sore heads because they jumped on the bed and they fell off. So 5 little monkeys fell fast asleep. Thank goodness, said the mama. Now I can go to bed. And that's my story, 5 Little Monkeys. And I hope you don't jump on your bed, because look what could happen. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed my story. Bye.